Today I came across two different descriptions, two different views about the people of the Southeast, particularly the Igbo people. One of these descriptions seems to be nice, the other seems not to be nice. It's actually ironic. It's like a flip side of the good description. And that's why I decided to share. So if you're Igbo, you have a better understanding the way things work, the way the tradition works, norms and ethic, you could just help us out at the comment section. So we just don't fall into conclusion or come into conclusion that this is how it works in the Southeast or with the Igbos. So first of all, let me start with the good commentary first. Let's go.
I can tell you that the Igbos are self-made. The Igbos are the only ethnic group in Nigeria that when they enter Kano State, they build houses in Kano State for themselves. When they enter Lagos, they own almost 2 or 3 local governments and build houses and live there. There's no place they go to, they don't make impact. But other Nigerians will come to my state and rent houses and stay for 15 years and go back without building a structure.
But first of all, how true is this description? So moving forward, it's time to give you guys the flip side of the description Akpabio gave. Like I said, it's ironic. So let's listen to the flip side.
Chief Tos Benson, T.O.S. Benson, former Minister of Information, now late, on one occasion at the Nigerian Institute of International Affairs, and I'm not making this up, he said it publicly. He said something about Igbo people. He said he had an Igbo wife and had an Igbo daughter, that he wanted to buy land in Igbo land for his daughter, for his wife, to say, I'm getting old, let me build in this place for my wife. He said that his in-laws told him that they don't sell land to outsiders. That is the irony of Nigeria about the politics of federation, of unity. The same Igbos who are so industrious that they are all over and they do well in other parts of Nigeria. You go as a non-Igbo man to go and buy a land, you will be told that you don't belong, even as an in-law.
So how true is this? Because most times I hear people from the Southeast complain that they invest in other states, but yet people of other states don't invest in their state. But if this is true, how do you expect them to invest in the Southeast when you can't sell lands to them? So if this is true, man, please help us out at the comment section. I'm not sure about this, and that's why I brought it out, so we could get several and different views to it. Thanks for watching.